In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails as read in Yahoo Mail. If your inbox feels overwhelming, this quick cleanup will clear the unread counter and make it easier to focus on what's new. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account in a web browser, or open the Yahoo Mail app if you prefer using your phone or tablet. Once you're in, head to the inbox so you're looking at the main list of messages. This matters because the action you're about to take applies to the folder you're viewing, and you want it to affect your inbox, not a different folder. At the very top of the message list, you'll see a small checkbox. Click or tap that checkbox to select all the emails currently visible on the page. You'll notice that only the messages you can see are highlighted by default. Yahoo selects just the current page so you don't accidentally apply changes across thousands of emails without meaning to. Right after you select that checkbox, a prompt appears above the list offering to select all conversations in inbox. Click that link to expand your selection from the handful of messages on the screen to every single email in your inbox. This is the key step that ensures you're marking all messages as read, not just the ones on the first page. With everything selected, look to the toolbar at the top and click the More button, which is represented by 3 dots. This opens a menu of actions you can apply to your selected emails. From that menu, choose Mark as Read. Yahoo will process the request if you have a large inbox. Give it a moment. When it finishes, the unread indicators will disappear, and your inbox will show all messages as read. A couple of quick reminders to keep things clear. Make sure you're actually in the inbox before you start the selection, and the Mark as Read action apply only to the folder you're viewing. If you only wanted to clear the first page of emails, you could stop after selecting the checkbox and skip the Select All Conversations link. On mobile, the layout may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Select your messages, open the menu with the 3 dots, then choose Mark as Read. That's all there is to it. You haven't deleted anything or moved any messages, you've simply removed the unread status, giving yourself a clean slate so new mail stands out. Enjoy the fresh, uncluttered view of your inbox.